slave to your own business? Naku anak, may tanong ako sa iyo. Bakit ka nag-start ng negosyo? Para sa freedom, di ba? Para hindi ka maging slave ng iba. Pero eto yung irony. Maraming business owners ang naging slave sa sariling negosyo nila. Let me tell you about Mark, a successful auto parts dealer. When he reached out to me, he was earning good money pero he felt trapped. Mami in, sabi niya, hindi ako makaalis ng matagal sa store. Kapag wala ako, halos hindi gumagalaw ang sales. Parang ako yung business, hindi yung business ang business. Does that sound familiar? Si Mark would work 14 hours a day, 7 days a week, no vacations, no rest. His wife kept asking, when will we ever get our time back? Alam mo anak, this is a trap that many business owners fall into. They think na to succeed, kailangan nilang gawin lahat. They become irreplaceable and that becomes their prison. You see anak, real success in business is not just about making money. It's about creating systems that work even without you. And I learned this the hard way. Sa early years namin ni husband, ganyan din kami. We did everything. Inventory, cashier, marketing, accounting, purchasing, even janitor minsan. We thought we were being responsible business owners. The truth is that we were being bottlenecks sa sarili naming business. Real growth happened when we learned to document our processes, to properly train our team, and to delegate strategically. Kaya anak, pagod ka na bang maging alipin ng negosyo mo? Ikaw ang nag-i-inventory, ikaw ang cashier, ikaw pa ang nagliligpit. Hindi sustainable yan at lalong hindi yan growth. Real growth happens when you build systems, not when you work harder. In my book, Grow Your Business Pinoy, I will teach you how to create processes na magpapatakbo sa business mo, even without you. Get the book and let's turn your business into a real business, not an expensive job. So, balik tayo sa kwento ni Mark. After implementing yung aming discussion, he now takes regular vacations. His business runs smoothly even while on vacation with his family. Sikreto niya, he learned that business growth has stages. And on each stages, there are specific skills that he needed to develop. Hindi pwedeng maskip yung mga skills na yon at yung mga stages na yon. Pero hindi din niya kailangang malaman lahat agad. That's what the Grow Your Business Pinoy Roadmap teaches. The exact sequence of skills and systems you need at each stage of growth. Stop being your business's biggest bottleneck, anak. Your family is waiting for the real you, not the exhausted version na pagod sa gabi. Check the link in the comment section. And let's be business-minded, Pinoy.